Morning everyone.
Morning.
It is
Sunday.
It is the Sunday the 6th.
The 6th. We know this because it says it on the radio.
We've actually got some reasonable weather. The sun came out a little bit today, then it clouded over, and now it's
all right. Spring.
Yeah, we can see the horizon on the sea. We're about to leave Wells next the sea, and we're going to head down towards Cromer. We've tried to get in contact with a cheap CL site, but he hasn't got back to us yet. But we have a backup plan for a pub stop near Runton.
West Runton.
West Runton. One of the Runtons.
Yeah.
Probably be the Runton of the litter. But yeah, that's our backup plan, because everywhere else isn't open till March, which...
Well, it is March.
End of March.
Oh.
Which is ridiculous. But we'll go down and we'll see what we can find for the journey. Just filled up with water, emptied all the bins, done everything else we need to do, so we should be good for the next 6-7 days, irrespective of what we do.
Well, we might need to buy some toothpaste.
There's a second tube in there.
Oh right, okay. Well, we're fine, and we've only got one bin liner.
Oh, might need to get some bin liners. Anyway, hardship of van life. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Well, the decision was made. We did manage to get in touch with the campsite. There was some family issues going on and they weren't taking bookings. So we rung up for the pub stop, and they were like, yeah, come anytime. We shut the doors at 8, but we appreciate if you come and eat. So that's what we'll do. As soon as we get through these traffic lights, it should be there. We'll have the day maybe wandering around, having a look at Runton, maybe even going to Cromer, or going to Cromer tomorrow and then set off for whatever's next. We do apologise, there's two of the smallest motorbikes trying to pull out the exit to our right, but they are making an awful lot of noise. But we do like to try and show arriving at the stops, so that people, if they use them in the future or think, oh, that looks okay.
After 300 yards, you have reached your destination.
There we go.
Dormy House.
That's the one. Now, I believe there's a big car park at the back, which looks reasonably empty. So we're going to swing in there. Get first gear. And we're going to go and tuck the van right in the corner at the back, unless it's a big puddle.
Unless there's a big puddle, yeah.
But we've got a sea view if we face it forwards, but I'm going to reverse it because I always like to reverse it, as I don't have a toe up on the back. Yeah, that looks good to us. So we'll get up against that wall. It's not going to be an amazing view through our window.
That's alright, we won't be in all day.
We probably won't be in all day.
There's a lot of seating, so I imagine it's very busy in the summer.
Yeah, I would imagine so as well. Let's get tucked right in. That will do.
Super duper.
That's it. Dormy House Hotel, restaurant and bar. It's a free pub stopover. All they ask is you ring ahead and you eat in the bar or in the pub or the restaurant. Right, well, we've come to the Dormy House Hotel. We've popped Bryan right over in the corner, about as far away as everybody as we can get. Yeah, it's just an ordinary pub stop. We have got a kind of a sea view up behind us, and it's just near West Runton, which is the village over there. And we're going to have a walk up and go to the beach, and maybe a walk down as far as East Runton, and then tonight we'll come back and have something to eat, which will be good. Well, if you can see, the little sign for West Runton shows its various things. But in the top corner, if you can make it out, is actually an elephant on the beach. And in 1990, storms washed the cliffs away. And an elephant that had been buried for between 600,000 and 700,000 years was unwashed. That's dating back to a time when the North Sea wouldn't have existed. It would have just been a flat, dry, warm plain that we now call Doggerland, and what the sailors and fishermen call Dogger Bank, because it's slightly raised, but it's under that shallow North Sea. But yeah, discoveries of an elephant. Don't know quite where the remains are, whether in the history museum or in a local museum. But yeah, it's quite a quaint little village. Got a little bit of places to see, but we are going to walk down to the beach. And there's a telephone box there. Look at that, very red, good old-fashioned telephone box.
It really is.
And it's still a telephone box.
Yeah.
Oh, right, amazing. It's not been turned into a mini library or somewhere to keep your that's the word. But anyway, we'll come back to you when we get to the beach. Took a chance and hopscotched it across. I think I made it okay.
Yeah, but I'm not very agile, so I'm better just go for it.
Go for it?
Yeah, so I just took my shoes and socks off. My feet will dry in a minute. Otherwise
Yeah, and then how are you going to get the sand off?
I'll wipe them on your trousers.
Ooh!
Or the dog.
Yes, you can just get over there again. Yeah, that's nice and shallow though. Ain't going to be a problem. Not for the keen adventurers that we are. Come prepared with towels and everything.
Oh yeah. Got no towels.
No, got a bottle opener though. Always never ever go anywhere without a bottle opener. apart from the cameras, I cleared it. I'm getting up there where it's a little bit drier. Because doing it this way is balmy. Let's get on the shingle. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. Well, behind me you can see Cromer Pier. I'm going to speak up just in case the wind's a little bit loud. It's 495 feet long in its current form. It's got the lifeboat station at the far end and the theatre in the middle. It was originally built in 1901, but there's records of a jetty here dating back to 1392, and Queen Elizabeth I actually granted rights to land wheat, barley and corn from a new jetty that was built in the place that this one is now. But it's one of those good old-fashioned Victorian piers that so many places used to have, and so many fell into repair. But this one looks like it's in good condition, and long may it last. Go on, one more. Alright, now let's get past before the crap on the head. Well, we've just had a nice beer at the Wellington in Cromer. You had a welly ale, which was quite light and sweet.
Nice.
It was good beer. And I had a Wolf Brewery Golden Jackal, which was also very good. Slightly bit more bitter than Helen's, but yeah, probably two of the best beers we've had since getting away, because either one or the other has been a bit so.
And the dog had a couple of treats.
There's
The
probably,
lovely lady.
yeah, so nice pub, got a busy bar with a footy on and stuff like that, but then there's also a nice quiet room like this that you can come and sit and just talk and rest your dog before she has to walk back another 3 miles.